I'm not leaving just yet.
Between meals, I find my fun. Dancing wild when the day's begun. Living loud on my own beat. Every day's an adventure on repeat.
Hey, it's Friday night, and we're
just hanging out.
Yeah, we're in holding pattern.
Yeah. Oh man.
Yeah.
It's been a real roller coaster.
Yes.
And
we're just waiting.
Of the moment, there are things going on in world politics and conflict that are affecting
our personal lives.
Yeah. Very much so. And it's literally affecting mortgage rates, which affect the enthusiasm of house buyers or home buyers. And that's why we're in a holding pattern.
And why we're still in our house in San Francisco.
Yeah.
So we were hoping to be on our slow travels by now. Close
very
to
soon,
it.
yeah. I mean, at least, getting through the selling process. But
yeah, we are.
Maybe a little later, we'll see.
Yeah. We're now days on the market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's been crazy. We're gonna have another open house. Yeah. I have to leave the house. Tracy needs to show the house.
And I'm doing the marathon ones. I'm doing them from 10 to 5, Saturdays and Sundays.
Yeah, long ones.
Yeah. Because I want as many people to come by, see this wonderful house, and possibly buy it.
Yeah.
So if you know anyone.
Yeah, tell our friends. Hey, remind other friends.
Yes. You want to live there. Yes. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. So we've bought the suitcases. We've played packing the suitcases.
Well, you have. Actually, I haven't really gotten around to that. I've only put in, I took some of my shirts and things like that, but not, I've actually, what I've pretty much been doing is I've been slowly just saying, okay, I'm keeping this one, I'm donating this. Mm-hmm. And I'm down to half my closet.
It's funny how having the suitcases does help that. Like the other day, I found myself going through the suitcases again, going, do I really want to take that? No, that's going to go to Goodwill.
Yeah.
Yeah. And
do I want to carry this around?
Yeah. It's not quite Swedish Death Cleaning. We've been there. We're getting better at it.
What did you just say?
Swedish Death Cleaning. Oh, you haven't heard that before?
No. What's this?
That's when, a lot of the Swedish people have realized that their kids do not want their crystal. They do not want the family heirlooms. They do not want
Hummels.
The Hummels.
The figurines.
And so they call it Swedish Death Cleaning when you're older and you downsize. And you just go, okay, you get 4 days to come and get it. And if you don't want it, it gets repurposed somewhere else.
Goes to someone who wants it.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
But why do they call it death? That's so morbid.
It is, but that's apparently what women my age and older are doing in Sweden. Like, oh, my kid really doesn't want this. I've accepted it. I saved it for them. And now I just have to let it all go.
Yeah. Well, it's definitely close to what we're doing.
Yes.
Letting go of a lot of stuff.
And our daughter is an adult now, and we're letting go of stuff that we thought she would want. That she went, no, my apartment's not big enough.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it looks like we're frozen, but maybe we aren't. I don't know.
Oh, that's a good question. No, I think we're fine.
Oh, okay. What does it say? App discontinued. App
reconnected.
Reconnected. So it's still recording.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it's going just fine.
Okay. Well, that's interesting. So we're still learning this. So by the time we actually get to our travels, our slow travels.
Actually, the thing is, though, this is part of the adventure. For us, there's a lot of drama going on right now, and it's when do we get to go?
Yeah.
At my work, I had to turn around and say to a bunch of my clients, I'm not leaving just yet. I'm kind of like the dog at the dog park, and it's like you're telling him to get in the car, and it's like, no.
It feels like that. It feels a little embarrassing, but then, forces outside of our control. So, and I have to say, you did make me a nice house. I get to make more meals in this gorgeous kitchen.
I know. We really...
Yeah.
It's funny. We're not running away.
No.
We're actually... We love this house, actually. I mean, this is a great house. And we've done a lot of work on it.
Yeah.
And I have to say,
we just want to go to
us,
the next phase of our lives.
I mean, like, look at this kitchen. I love this kitchen. That is a great kitchen.
Yeah.
But but we have other places we want to go and adventure in.
One of the places we've got in a couple we want to go to is we're downsizing, as obvious.
Definitely,
we're downsizing. We're traveling, and this house is 1,364 square feet. We're going to go down to 600, and I'm really excited to do that. It seems big at 600 square feet. When we met, we were in a place that was only 500 square feet.
Well, hold on. The cool thing about that place was
your first place was smaller. It was the
I
place
agree.
together that we got together.
Place, yeah. But our second place in Seattle was right downtown, and it had 16-foot ceilings.
Yeah, well, it was a
but
lot.
a small footprint, and then it had a little loft, and the loft went out over the hallway, which was kind of a neat feature. But it was the huge walls, of course. I mean, like, and it's such a small footprint, but it had a real good style.
Yeah.
The international design style. So
yeah, it was cool. It was built for the World's Fair there in Seattle in the 1960s. So
supposedly
had a non-working intercom and some other kitschy features.
It was supposedly built for diplomats.
Yeah.
For the World's Fair.
Yeah, and we lived there for 5 years. Yeah. We lived in 500 square feet for 5 years, and we're still together.
What year was that? That was 94?
No, 93
to
93 to it was like 5 or 6 years we lived there.
Yeah.
98, 97.
Something like that.
Yeah, until 99, because then we went to
Rhode Island. Of course. Yeah.
So we were there for a while. And so we're going to go down to 600 square feet.
Again. Close to that.
With a view by a beach.
Yeah, I mean, we had a view of downtown Seattle at that place, but here we'll have a view of a beach. Yeah.
And a bay.
In Thailand.
Yeah, it's hopefully.
But it's getting built, so it'll be a little while until we get there.
Yeah. And so our plan was we were going to leave a little early, sell our house, and do the slow travel for a couple years while that's being constructed.
Sounds fun to me.
Yeah. But then our president had a different idea about our plans.
Yeah. He somehow got convinced by another leader of another country to go do something stupid. And he's easily convinced of that, unfortunately.
Yeah. So we are just waiting for interest rates to go down and more buyers to come.
Well, or at least
through.
It not to feel so uncertain.
Yeah.
And hopefully things will calm down a little.
People be more willing to take risks.
We put the house on the market 3 days before the war started, or
just 3 days after. Yeah. It's like,
well, this isn't gonna last, is it?
So.
And 40 days later.
Yeah, and so I'm still doing open houses for hopefully people want the right person will walk in.
We'll keep at it.
Yeah. So we're still going to do a couple more San Francisco pieces, but then I guess if you all like this, we'll do a couple more talking things about
y'all.
I'm an American. I can say y'all. We'll put out a couple more pieces about our current struggles.
Well, isn't that what we're doing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're just trying to figure out what plays, what y'all like.
That's the topic of us being in limbo.
Yes, we're in limbo.
But you know what? We're still having fun.
Yeah.
And we'll keep posting.
I would love it if anyone would comment and